Welcome to a serene and beautiful view of the Tambi tea plantation situated in Wonosobo, Central Java, Indonesia. Have you ever encountered such tranquility and beauty before? If not, then prepare yourself to embark on an enchanting journey filled with mystery and history. Picture a place where tranquility and nature merge effortlessly, where the air is scented with the sweet, earthy aroma of tea leaves, and a delicate mist gently drapes over the landscape. A place called the Tambi tea plantation. This is not just a peaceful oasis where tea plants flourish, but a location steeped to captivating history that has piqued the curiosity of many. Folklore tells about ancient scholars lured by the serenity of this picturesque landscape, setting up a clandestine academy amid these tea fields. They came in search of wisdom, and they discovered it in the serenity of Tambi, where the softness of the mist was believed to harbor the answers to life's enigmas. Now let's part the veils of the mystical mist and plunge into the legend of the secret academy. The Tambi tea plantation, a serene paradise steeped in history, was established centuries ago. Its inception was the brainchild of a visionary scholar who dreamt of creating a sanctuary for the pursuit of knowledge. The landscaping, a breathtaking blend of lush green fields and undulating tea gardens, was the imaginative masterpiece of this scholar. It was a canvas where wisdom could bloom amidst tranquility. This scholar belonged to a prestigious lineage, and his legacy was carried forward by his legal heir, an equally passionate individual who shared his predecessor's fervor for learning. This heir, despite the pressures of succession, managed to uphold the sanctity of the plantation and the secret academy nestled within. The academy was no ordinary institution, but a beacon of enlightenment, a testament to the human quest for knowledge. Over time, the academy flourished, attracting scholars from different corners of the world, each seeking to enrich their minds and nourish their souls. While the academy's existence remained a secret, known only to a select group, its legend keeps intriguing us even today. The scholars may have faded into the annals of history, but their legacy adds a hint of mystery to the tranquil beauty of the Tambi tea plantation. A unique part of the academy's pedagogy was its relationship with the fog, perceived as a symbol of the unknown, a tool for unconventional learning rather than a hindrance. The scholars found wisdom in the whispers of the wind and the rustle of the tea leaves. Today, the legend of the secret academy continues to baffle and intrigue, adding a touch of mystery to the tranquil beauty of the Tambi tea plantation. The secret academy is not the only mystery that the Tambi tea plantation holds. There are more enigmas waiting to be discovered. The whispers of the wind through the tea leaves tell tales of hidden tunnels, secret chambers, and ancient manuscripts. These tunnels are said to stretch out like a spider's web beneath the verdant fields, their purpose and origin shrouded in the mists of time. Some believe they were used for clandestine meetings. Others suggest they served as a refuge during times of strife. Yet despite arduous explorations and excavations, the truth remains elusive. The secret chambers tucked away within the rolling hills are another enigma. They are rumored to house ancient relics untouched for centuries. Yet every explorer who has sought to uncover these chambers has returned empty-handed, their stories adding to the aura of mystery that surrounds Tambi. Then there are the ancient manuscripts. Legend has it that the scholars of the secret academy penned profound wisdom on parchment, hiding them within the plantation to safeguard their knowledge. These manuscripts, if they truly exist, could hold the key to unlocking a treasure trove of ancient wisdom. Over the years, countless explorers have embarked on quests to unravel these secrets. Armed with curiosity and a thirst for knowledge, they have delved into the depths of the plantation, traversed its misty landscapes, and pored over old maps and legends. Some have returned with tantalizing clues, others with intriguing stories, but the real answers remain hidden, waiting to be discovered. As we wrap up our journey today, bear in mind, the Tambi tea plantation is not merely a place. It's a mystery, a legend, a testament to the relentless quest for knowledge. The next time you take a sip from a cup of tea, let the stories it carries come to mind. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button on our channel to uncover more fascinating facts about similar enigmas.